This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in, so begin by targeting what bothers you most: immediate noise. Go to Settings and toggle Timeline to Latest. This changes the default algorithm. Next, use Mute and Block on repeat offenders so their posts stop appearing. Once done, unfollow accounts that skew your feed and enable Safety Mode for temporary keyword and account filters. This reduces low-quality posts automatically. Make sure to save changes and check the feed for immediate improvement. Now refine the signal-to-noise ratio with deliberate curation. Create lists for trusted sources and add those accounts. View lists instead of the main timeline when you want focused content. Adjust topics to follow or mute specific trends, and open Add/Data preferences to limit targeted promotions that clutter the feed. Then apply advanced filters, block key phrases, set language filters, and raise engagement thresholds to hide low-interaction posts. These steps shape what the algorithm surfaces and explain why your timeline changes over time. Finish by ensuring changes stick. Clear the app cache, restart, and verify web and mobile sync so all filters apply consistently. If you still see problematic posts, report them. Platform feedback trains the system. Revoke suspicious third-party app access and reset personalized ads to remove learned preferences that promote unwanted content. If nothing changes, wait 24-48 hours for the algorithm to relearn. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily create a list view habit to bypass algorithmic noise while waiting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.